This is TuriX AI. This is an AI digital coworker and probably world's first AI digital coworker. TuriX AI is a computer use agent that can operate your system, connect apps, and complete real tasks end-to-end without APIs, without integrations, and without you manually clicking through. So in this video, I'll show you what TuriX AI actually does, how it works in real scenarios, and why this idea of AI digital workers is becoming the next big shift in automation. Let's start with the core idea behind TuriX AI. TuriX is designed to free your hands. Instead of switching between apps, copying data, clicking buttons, and repeating the same workflow every day, you can simply describe what you want in plain language. TuriX sees your screen, understands the interface, and performs the action same way a human would, opening apps, navigating menus, filling forms, clicking buttons, and completing multi-step tasks. Basically, you are not automating code, you are automating behavior. This is what makes TuriX fundamentally different from traditional automation tools or chat-based AI. Now let me just quickly show you how all of this works in practice. So to start using TuriX AI, just go to turix.ai and then you can just download it for Windows and Mac. After the installation, you will find this kind of chat box on your interface. Now this chat box will follow you across different applications. So let's suppose if you just open VS Code or any other application, so this chat box will follow you. You can just give it task at any point about anything, and then it will just simply start performing that task without you switching between any applications. Now imagine a simple but annoying task, something like collecting data from different websites and then organizing it into a spreadsheet and then sending a summary to your team. So in this case, what I'm going to do, I have already opened a website. This is called Combinator, and there is this startups directory. So these are the thousands of different startups that are incubated by Combinator. So what I'm going to ask it, I'm just going to give a task to TuriX that please shortlist all of the AI startups from, let's just see, winter 2023 to spring 2026. So let's suppose I want to shortlist all of these different startups and then create a spreadsheet. Traditionally, I will have to go through all of these different companies, then find out which one are AI companies and then create a spreadsheet. It's going to easily take 4 or 5 hours because I have to browse through a lot of different startups. So rather than doing it myself, I just gave it this prompt: please shortlist all of the AI startups from Combinator startup directory from winter 2023 to spring 2026 and then create a spreadsheet. And now I can simply just press enter, and now you can see it in action. So what it is going to do, first of all, it is going to just browse all of these different startups inside this startup directory. It is going to navigate between winter 2023 to spring 2026. It is going to analyze all of these startups one by one. So now you can see my hands are free, and now it is basically navigating between all of these different filters. So you can see it is applying all of these filters: spring 2026, winter 2026, fall 2025, summer 2025. So it is just going to apply all of these different filters and then analyze all of the shortlisted companies and then only shortlist the companies between the time duration that we mentioned already. And now you can see it is going through all of the startups one by one individually and basically analyzing each startup. So let it just analyze all of these startups one by one. I will just pause this video here, and once the spreadsheet is ready, then I'll just resume this video. Okay, there you go. You can see it has just created this detailed spreadsheet, and still it is finalizing this spreadsheet. It took it around, I think, 5 to 6 minutes, but still it is formatting it properly because it had to do a lot of entries. But overall, it has done really good job and still working on to present this spreadsheet in a proper way. I'm just going to stop this task here because I just want to review this spreadsheet. So here you can see all of these companies are basically AI companies. These are AI startups, and also you can see all of these companies from winter 2025. These ones are from summer 2024, and these ones are from winter 2023. And if you just have a look at all of these URLs individually, you can see all of these companies are real companies. This is real data. This is not something that it took randomly from internet. Normally a task like this involves various different steps, including opening a browser, logging into tools, copying information, formatting it, switching tabs, and repeating the same steps again and again. But with this AI digital coworker, you just describe the task, something like open my browser, go to these websites, collect the latest data, organize it into a spreadsheet, and then save the file. So TuriX will automatically do that. Once you give the instruction, TuriX takes over. You can literally watch it work, operating apps, navigating pages, interacting with the UI, and completing the task step by step. There are no APIs required, there is no pre-built integration, and no manual setup at all. That's one of TuriX's biggest advantages. It connects apps even when APIs don't exist. So if you think about any task that a human can do it on a computer, TuriX can learn to do it too. This is powered by its computer use agent architecture, also known as CUA. And on Mac OS specifically, TuriX is running one of the most advanced CUA models available right now. It is state of the art for desktop automation. Another powerful aspect is that TuriX AI is MCP ready. If you're already using tools like CLAWD for desktop, you can hook TuriX directly into that workflow using MCP. And this allows you to combine reasoning models with real-world execution, thinking plus action in one loop. Now let's talk about real use cases, because this is where TuriX really starts to make sense. First is the repetitive office work, things like preparing reports, updating dashboards, organizing files, downloading documents, uploading data into internal tools. These are the tasks that don't require creativity, but they eat up hours every week. TuriX handles these tasks by simply following instructions. Once you have described the workflow, it can repeat it consistently without fatigue. The second is cross-app workflows. A lot of automation breaks down when tools don't talk to each other. One app has data, another app needs it, and there is no clean integration between them. TuriX doesn't care. It works at the interface level. It sees buttons, text fields, menus, and screens just like a human operator would. That means you can automate workflows across legacy software, internal tools, websites, and desktop apps that were never designed to be automated. Third is productivity for individuals. This is not just for enterprises. If you're a creator, founder, analyst, or operator, TuriX can act as a personal assistant that actually does things instead of just suggesting them. You can ask it to organize research, prepare materials, manage repetitive admin tasks, or handle setup work while you focus on decision making and creative work. Another really important point is that TuriX is designed as an AI digital worker, not a one-off tool. You're not running a single command and stopping. You are assigning tasks to something that behaves like a coworker, executing instructions, handling errors, and moving through complex processes. Compared to the competitors like CLAWD's computer use agent tools, GLMPC, or Copilot actions, TuriX stands out because of its flexibility and focus on real execution. It's not limited to predefined actions, it's not locked behind rigid workflows, and it doesn't require developers to wire everything together. It's simple, you talk, it works, and that's the experience. Now, if you are someone who is interested in building on top of this, TuriX also provides the API platform. So you can just go to turix.ai and /API-platform, and here you can explore the TuriX API for free. Developers can integrate TuriX capabilities into larger systems, workflows, or internal tools, turning computer use automation into a part of a broader AI strategy. This is especially powerful for teams building internal automations, RPA-style solutions, or AI-driven operations without rewriting the legacy softwares. The bigger picture here is important. AI is moving beyond chatbots. The next phase is the AI that can operate systems. So whether you are experimenting with automation, building AI workflows, or just trying to reclaim the time from repetitive computer tasks, TuriX is absolutely worth trying. And of course, this is not about replacing humans. It's about freeing humans from work that never needed to be manual in the first place. If you have any further questions or any thoughts about TuriX, just leave your comments in comment section, and I see you next video. Bye bye.